Hey guys, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. This is a video response to PinkCraftyWorld. She's having a challenge on her channel, which I'll link down below. She just reached 3,000 followers, so she's having a really fun contest, challenge, whatever you want to call it. And it's really simple too. She just wants you to submit a memory dex card and an embellishment box. So I haven't entered that many challenges, so I don't want to start out on something that, well, I mean, I've entered a few of them, but I like to keep them simple if possible, just because I'm not that used to it. So anyway, yeah, I thought I would show you guys what I made for her challenge for my entry. So if you've been watching my channel, you see that I have a tutorial on how to make these boxes for memory dex cards, and I will link it down below again, just in case you want to see it. But since Pink Crafty World, her name is Maria. You probably watch her already. Her favorite color is pink, like mine, so I decided to make everything pink based. So I use this paper. This is from the Pretty Posy collection that I got from, or not collection, paper pad that I got from Joann's a while back. You guys probably have it too. So I love this paper. Any excuse to use it, I'll use it. So that's what I use for the box. And I used a swan die that I got from Allie, and this paper I got from Jelly Bean. It's in a Jelly Bean Soup paper pad of polka dots. This is a Maggie Holmes sticker from, not sure which collection, but it's from Maggie Holmes. This is another paper I had in my stash. I use like a cloud border, but I like it for like a, like a watery kind of theme too. This is a Maggie Holmes sticker. And that's just the back, just simple. And I stitched it with, I don't know if you could see it, it's kind of like iridescent thread. So there's that. And I added Velcro dots to close it. And let me show you my memory dex card. So again, I used the Pretty Posy paper for the background. It's like a really pretty blue, green, and pink floral. This is a different polka, or this is from a different paper pad, the polka dot. Also, to kind of, go with the theme of the box, I used another XO from, it's a thicker. And these are flowers that I made. I just showed you guys in my last haul video. I got a die from Zoo Lily to make these really fun flowers. So I made a couple there and added them. I also added some of the leaf sprigs from the same die set, and I put some stickles on the edges of the leaves. So I think it came out really cute. It's very simple, but I like the different, I was going to say fabrics, because they remind me of fabrics that I have that I love, but I love the different papers, so I just want you to be able to see them. And, sometimes you don't have to go crazy adding embellishments. And the back has my information. I won't show that because it has my address on it, but just for people having challenges, I send it to. So that's my memory dex card. I hope you guys like it. And let me show you the embellishment box I made. It's funny, I just gotten this box at Dollar Tree, and I thought, I have a bunch of these boxes, but maybe I'll enter a challenge one of these days. And then I saw Maria's video about an embellishment box. I thought, oh, it's perfect. So this is how I decorated it. You guys know these boxes. They're the ones that have like the dome like space on the top of the lid. So I added a bunch of trims, as you could see, Hobby Lobby. This is from Allie, this like a tool. There's some more flowers that I had made from a different die, and I had these in my stash. It's just so great to have ones ready-made. You could just pull them out and add it to projects. Same for the butterfly. This is from, I think that's from Willow Lane chipboard. And then I added some rickrack that I gotten from Zoo Lily recently. I put that all the way around, well, all the way to the back. Just glued it on with Fabri-Tac. Everything actually I glued on with Fabri-Tac. Love that glue. So, okay, this is the inside. And these are all the goodies that I'm sending her. I made a bunch of these flowers, and I did show a couple of them in my haul today, but I think I have 8 in here, all different colors, mostly from Sweet Story. Actually, I think they're all from Sweet Story paper. And I put some little pink shred in there that I got on clearance from Target. In this little pocket, I put a ton of little resin pieces that I thought she might like to craft with. Just some fun, cute little shapes, little deer heads, unicorns. I've got mermaid, one of these big lemons that are just so fun. And then these little teddy bears. I think Erica had shown me those, so I included a bunch of those in here too. Cute little bunny. There's just, everything's different. If they're the same one, it's just a different color. So actually, no, I put in 2 of those bunnies, but everything else is different. So there are all those. Oops. And I will make them look pretty in here before I send it out. The next one, I included 2 tassels that I had made. There's this one that I made this when I first got this trim from Hobby Lobby. And put one of those little bunnies there. So she could dangle this on a purse or a notebook, whatever, planner. And this is the other one, which I made with some crochet thread that has gold metallic thread in it. And I put a little charm on there, some pretty beads. Yeah, some lobster claw clasps on the top. Make it easy to hook up onto anything. So I got those 2. And okay, now back down, let's go down here. I put some pinwheels. I made these for Maria. I used these, I think I used all Pretty Posy papers. Yes. And I used those lollipop sticks that I had gotten from Joann's a long time ago. I made them about 2.5 inches so they would fit in this section that I lined with that shred again. Helps to keep everything nice and snug in there. And over here in this section, I'm sending Maria a bunch of little wire wrap beads that I made. Lots of different ones. Some of them I have caged beads, but most of them are just wire wrap beads. And I figured I'd put them on a binder ring. That way it keeps them all together, but easy to open up and use them as she wants to. And these, I love these pink jump rings. They're from Target. They're fun. The best part about them is you don't need tools to open them up. They're very pliable, so you could just open them with your fingers and slide on a charm. So it makes it easy if you just want to add a quick, jump ring. These are felt flowers that I made. I also showed a couple of these in my haul from this morning. Very fun to make. And actually, I found a steel rule die online that I just ordered, and I'm going to make some more in different felts. So I'm excited for that. I think I'm going to go felt flower happy. So anyway, I'm sending all these to Maria. And then down in this section, I'm sending her a little glass bottle of pink iridescent seashell sequins. They're so fun. I love these. And a cute little deer charm. It's got if she doesn't want to, she could take out that eye pin, just pull it out with some pliers. But it makes it handy if you want to make it a charm. And I love these little flowers on them. I'd gotten these from Allie. And I also am including a pretty little butterfly resin piece. And then over here in this section, this was just like a blank piece of plastic. So I just glued down some trim, and you can't really see that. It's a sticker that says charming. And I added a little sticker to it too. Sorry for the glare. But then I added some of the cotton candy embellishments that I made. I'm sending one of the pink ones, a yellow one, and a teal one. So I love these. Love them. They're fun to make. Good excuse to make more if I'm sending some out. And then in the last section, it's mirroring the other one. There's a deer charm, a different butterfly resin piece. Actually, it's more plasticky than resin. And another glass jar of sequins. These are mini little flowers, all different colors. So, oh, I had so much fun putting this together. I've made embellishment boxes before, but I think this one was my favorite one that I've ever made. It's just lots of pinks and things that I would like, and I think Maria and I have very similar tastes, so I'm hoping she'll like them too. Again, that's the cover. And yeah, so I'm sending this to Maria and the memory decks card with the matching box. So I will link her challenge down below if you want to enter. I think she's extending it. It was supposed to be till the end of June. Now it's going to be to July. I'm not sure. Don't quote me, but I think that's what she said. But I'll link it down below so you can see for yourself if you're interested in participating. And she has lots of great prizes too, so which is nice. I just think it's fun to enter, you know. I like to support my fellow YouTubers. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment, and I'll talk to you soon.